first up, I've been told that I make the most incredible tuna fish salad. Like, you guys don't even understand. My tuna fish does not taste fishy, number one, and number two, it's got mad flavor. Are you prepared? Here we go. The key to some bomb tuna fish is what? Mayonnaise. Now, you can't just have Miracle Whip. No, it has to be mayonnaise. This is about to create a huge debate in the comments. I already know, but let me know right now in the comments below, are you a Miracle Whip person or are you a mayonnaise person? I'm all about that mayo life. So you see that? Now, you hear that sound? That's the beautiful sound of some bomb tuna fish. Now, the next thing that covers up the fishy taste, good old salt and pepper. This has turned into a cooking episode. Then you're gonna mix that all together, and just when you thought I was done, some fruit punch. So as you can see, I have a problem. I was home one day in high school, I had to make myself an after-school snack. I made myself tuna fish, and I was like, this isn't doing much for my taste buds. Like, I just had really high-end taste buds with a really low-class budget. How do I create something that is just amazing? And this, my friends, is what I created. And no one can tell me that doesn't taste bomb. You either can eat it like this. It needs to be dipped.